Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can buy eSIM in Turkey. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, check your phone's compatibility. Ensure your smartphone is compatible with eSIM. After that, select an eSIM provider and plan. There are numerous eSIM providers for traveling to Thailand, with prices ranging from $4 to $99. Providers like Airalo, Alasim, Holafly, Nomad, and SIM options offer data plans ranging from 1 GB to unlimited to be used locally, in Asia, or globally. Then, purchase your eSIM. Choose the plan that suits you best and buy your eSIM card from the online store. Now, obtain the eSIM activation code. After purchasing, you will receive an activation code or QR code. After following the above steps, activate your eSIM. Go to your phone settings and scan the QR code or enter the identifier. And that's how you can buy eSIM in Turkey. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.